What does your dream house look like? Does it have 4 bedrooms, a huge spa bathroom, or a backyard patio with a stone fire pit? In different cities, your dream house may vary depending on the price tag. Today, we're going to different locations in America to tour 3 houses at similar listing prices to see what $730,000 can buy you. This is Listing Price. Our first home is in Prescott, Arizona. Prescott has 4 of the state's best museums, as well as quick access to breathtaking landscapes and wildlife. For $714,500, you could move into this 3-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom home with incredible views of the surrounding area. Inside, you'll find a lot to love. Starting with the open floor plan and natural light from all the patio doors, looking out to the landscape. There are wood floors throughout and a fireplace for those cool desert nights. Through the living room, you'll find an open kitchen with a large island and a white farmhouse sink. The kitchen comes equipped with stainless steel appliances, including a side-by-side refrigerator and a double-wall oven. In between the living room and the kitchen is a large enough space for a dining set for 6 people. Back to the front of the house is another room with French doors. It's currently being used as a study, but can also be used as a home gym or playroom. The main bedroom has a ton of light, as well as a door out to the backyard and patio. The room offers great mountain views, as well as an ensuite bathroom with dual sinks, and a large walk-in closet with built-in shelving. The second bedroom also offers plenty of room for a queen bed, as well as an ensuite bathroom and lots of closet space. This front-facing third bedroom makes a perfect kids' room or a guest bedroom with lots of light from the oversized windows. The backyard has a large patio area for entertaining or relaxing, where you could watch the sunset over the Bradshaw Mountain. This 2,557 square foot home also has a 3-car garage and a spacious laundry area with a mudroom and sink. There are also detailed home touches like brushed nickel fixtures and lighting and 5 ceiling fans to keep you cool during the Arizona summers. Now we move 2,000 miles eastward toward North Carolina to our second home in Cramerton. It's a suburb of Charlotte and one of the best places to live in Gaston County, according to niche.com. This home, located 30 minutes from downtown Charlotte, is in a gated community with golf, tennis, and 24-hour security. It's listed about 12% more than the Prescott home, but is by far the largest home we'll be seeing today, at 6,404 square feet. It has 3 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms with an attached garage. Let's take a look inside. There are hardwood floors throughout, and you enter into a great room with vaulted ceilings, a fireplace, and a ton of natural light. As you make your way through the great room, you have a large sitting area overlooked by the second floor balcony. You'll also notice the detailed wall with its many recesses, including 3 arched alcoves with built-in shelves, where you can really showcase your art and keepsakes. Also on the first floor is the huge kitchen with granite countertops and stainless steel appliances. It has an attached breakfast nook surrounded by windows, with plenty of space for even more seating. Another feature the kitchen includes is a separate wet bar with built-in wine racks for a dedicated entertainment space. The first floor also has a spacious main bedroom with a large ensuite bathroom, complete with a bathtub, tiled shower, and walk-in closet. The oversized drop-in tub has a large deck, which allows for an optimal bath experience. Opposite the main bedroom is a home office, perfect for a hybrid or work-from-home situation, and plenty of visible and hidden shelf space. Upstairs are 2 more bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Both bedrooms are big enough to fit a king-size bed. The 2-level terrace at the back of the house provides plenty of space for hosting and entertaining. With stairs connecting the second-floor stone patio to the first floor, there's easy access around the home in the event of parties. Look at these simple but statement arched pillars that add a timeless Gothic charm to the home. Built in 2001, this home has a ton to offer, including a large garage big enough for 3 cars, a laundry room, and a basement. You may have noticed the home has many unique architectural flourishes, such as the high-vaulted ceilings and arched recesses, which bring a sense of elegance and charm when paired with the right decor and furnishings. This home has a lot to offer, but we have one more stop to make. We're headed to Des Moines, the capital city of Iowa and the 13th best place to live according to the U.S. News and World Report in 2021. Here, we find the last home we'll see today. This townhome is listed at $682,900 and has 4 bedrooms and 4.5 bathrooms, along with 2 patios. On the main floor, we find a dining area that leads to a large great room with high ceilings. Back inside, we have a front office that could also be used as a bedroom, with lots of light and closet space. Next up is the cleverly designed kitchen, with a small island countertop, all new appliances, and loads of cabinet space. Next to it is a space for a breakfast nook that leads out into a sunroom. Also on the main floor is a large main suite with sliding mirror doors and, best of all, an enormous spa-like bathroom. There's both a tiled shower and even a whirlpool tub. Not to mention plenty of counters and storage space. Let's head upstairs to see the rest of the house. Here, there are 2 more bedrooms, including one that could also serve as a guest suite, with another walk-in closet and an ensuite bath. Meanwhile, the walkout lower level features an open concept layout with a kitchen and bar area. The space is large enough to furnish another living room and dining area. There's even space for a pool table, or pretty much any other game you could imagine, plus a second laundry room. And lastly, there's one more bedroom with a private bath. At 3,365 square feet, this house offers privacy and luxury. It has a monthly homeowners association fee of $445. This 5-bedroom, 4.5 bathroom townhome certainly has a lot to offer. But so did the houses in Arizona and North Carolina. The question is, which of these 3 is your dream house? We've looked at 3 homes today with listing prices around $730,000. As we look back at all these homes, we found the largest home did have the most expensive listing price. It was about 2 times the size of the other 2 homes. But it wasn't the property with the most bedrooms and bathrooms, nor the closest one to a metropolitan area. It really does show that geographic location definitely factors into a house's listing price. We hope we gave you a better idea of what your home buying dollar can get you in different cities. Let us know where we should visit next. See you next time.